How do we install LLumar paint protection? Here at Ozone, cleanliness is one of our top priorities, especially when it comes to installing PPF. We ensure that the vehicle is clean before applying PPF. First step, washing. From soap, clay to cleaning tools, Ozone uses a quality product from Swiss Vax, a renowned company providing excellent products for luxury car care since 1930. Second step, polishing. Here at Ozone, we ensure that the vehicle is free of scratches before applying PPF, so it undergoes meticulous cleaning or polishing before being handed over to our professional paint protection installers. After PPF installation, it goes through quality control to inspect the application. And the final step, the vehicle will undergo another cleaning process to maintain its cleanliness before it is handed over to our customers. Furthermore, aside from the paint protection film, Ozone also offers leather protection to further strengthen and protect the interior of our customers' cars. At Ozone, we are happy to delight our customers through excellent service, so we always strive to provide our best to maintain the highest level of service.